Hello friends, welcome to our educational channel, and today we are going to learn about parameters and statistics. We will try to understand both terms in detail, where these terms are used, and try to explore the differences between parameter versus statistics. But, before moving ahead, if you are new to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe to get instant notifications of new videos. So, let's start. A parameter is a number used to describe a whole population, for example, a mean. While a statistic is a number used to describe a sample, for example, a sample mean. The prime aim of qualitative research is to study and understand the characteristic of the populations by finding parameters. However, in practice, it is challenging and time-consuming, and it's not feasible to collect data from every single member of the population. That's why data is collected in the form of samples. Using inferential statistics, we can use the sample statistics to make intelligent guesses about population parameters. Let's understand population versus sample. A population is an entire group you're interested in studying for research purposes. It can be a group of people, for example, all male adults in the US or all company employees. However, it also means a group containing other elements like countries, objects, events, organizations, species, organisms, and more. A sample is a smaller group that is taken from the population. The sample is the group of elements from which you will actually collect data. Let's understand what kind of numbers are parameters and statistics. Statistics and parameters are numbers that are used to summarize any measurable characteristic of a sample or a population. For categorical variables, let's say political affiliation. Here the most common statistic or parameter is a proportion. Similarly, for numerical variables, for example, height. The mean or standard deviation are commonly reported statistics or parameters. So, what's the difference between parameters and statistics? The basic difference between a parameter and a statistic is that a parameter is a fixed measure describing the entire population. At the same time, a statistic is a characteristic of a sample, which is a portion of the target population. A parameter is a fixed and unknown numerical value. At the same time, a statistic is a known number and a variable that depends on the portion of the population. Statistical notations. Various symbols are used for statistics and parameters to demonstrate whether we are referring to a sample or a population. Greek capital letters are generally used to reference populations. In contrast, Latin lowercase letters are used to refer to samples. Refer to the chart here to understand the statistical notations. Symbols used for statistics and parameters. Sample statistic population parameter. Proportion P, called p-hat, P. Mean X, called x-bar, mu, Greek letter mu. Standard deviation S, Latin letter S, sigma, Greek letter sigma. Variance S2 sigma 2. We hope you now understand the basic difference between the parameter and statistics. Stay connected for more such educational videos.